Ladies and gentlemen, we are fixing this double glazing window. As you see, one side is sitting properly, closed, all the bone one, but when we go to the top one, your fingers goes in it. There's so much gap on the top. You know, on the bone sitting, so it was catching and it's still catching. It doesn't close, but when I push the top one in, as you see, that's it, and now it's closed properly. Look at the gap. And now if I open it again, it didn't close. The fingers goes in it. So as you see, there are two guides here. It's worn out, the guide's worn out. So when this one goes up, these bits here on the top of here, he goes inside this guide and guide the window inside to close. So these two guides, the damage. As you see, this one is, you can see, easy up. So what we do, we remove this window and then we try to reverse these guides, put this guide from left to right. So when we swap them, the good side is on the back. The good side is on the back, it comes forward. So when I reverse this one to the other side, it comes forward. So this one, the same thing. On the back, that's it. If you see on the back, what we do, we're gonna reverse this one, see if it works or not. Thanks for watching, bye.